Namaste. My beloved friends, a lot of people has asked a very beautiful question on yoga and meditation. Like, what is difference between yoga and meditation? So, let me tell you very clearly that basically these are two paths of self-realization, and these paths are parallel, and in the end they reaches to one point. So paths are different, but their goal is one. Their goal is self-realization, self-attainment, or you can say enlightenment. And there is a very subtle difference between yoga and meditation. Yoga means jod. In Hindi it means jod, and that means in English is addition. So yoga is like you are connecting your body points, body parts, and connecting the whole energy to become yourself and to reach yourself. While in meditation, what you do? In meditation, you are just being. You are not using this kind of activity or the addition or something like that. You are just being. Whatever is happening, you are watching the situation. You are not practicing any specific activity. Some people may think that it's not correct, but yes, meditation means whatever you do it with awareness. Even if it is yoga, you do it with awareness. When you eat it with awareness, and very slowly you find that whatever is happening, you are being a watcher, and very soon the state comes where you become the whole, you become yourself. So in yoga we do some certain activities to connect all points and to gather all energy to reach point. And in meditation it's just being at places and in the very moment. So it's a presence. Meditation means is presence. So both are little different, but their goal is one, to reach yourself. If you still have any doubt or question, please let me know.